The June 1st deadline for ALMM2 is just days away. Will the government stick to its guns, or is an extension on the horizon? Announced in late 2024, the mandate requires solar projects to use modules with domestic cells. Enlisted capacity has now crossed 30 gigawatts. We're seeing a massive shift to TOPCon and HJT technologies, with giants like Mundra, Waaree, and Reliance leading the charge into high-efficiency cells. But voices are rising for an extension. Smaller manufacturers are struggling with the capital-intensive shift to cell making. Real utilization remains a challenge. For instance, Waaree produced 4.2 gigawatts of modules but only 0.7 gigawatts of cells last quarter. Developers fear a drop in demand as DCR module costs rise, potentially adding up to 90 lakh rupees per megawatt to project costs. While an extension seems less likely each day, the government's decision will send a clear message on its commitment to domestic manufacturing.